Let's make a special Ube Halaya, a Filipino jam that is made of purple yam, that is vibrantly purple, sweet and creamy. Here's how to make the Special Ube Halaya. First, we should peel the ube properly, cut it equally, and boil the ube in a pot. We will boil the ube for 15 minutes. Now, let us check if the ube is cooked using the fork. Now, it's tender. Okay, so the ube is ready. We should now remove the ube from the water, drain it, and set aside to let it cool. As soon as the ube has cooled down, we now grate the ube. Make sure that we grate the ube evenly so it will be cooked evenly. Okay? Here's our grated ube. Look at our ube. It's so nice, right? See the color? It's purple. So, our ube is ready. First, let us prepare our dairy mixture. In a pot, in medium-low heat, add 2 cups of evaporated milk. This will give us an incredibly creamy mixture to the ube jam. Let us also add the 2 cups of coconut milk. This will give a lovely flavor and adds creaminess to the jam. Also, we'll add the 2 cans of condensed milk. This gives more sweetness to the jam. Sweetness and also add creaminess to our jam. Mix this until the condensed milk is well combined with the other dairy liquids. Next is to add the 2 cups of sugar. I use mix of white and brown sugar because brown sugar adds more depth of flavor. Mix properly until sugar is dissolved. We also add ube essence, 1 tablespoon. This gives more ube flavoring and adds color to the ube, makes it more vivid and improves the taste too. So, look at the color of our mixture. It has a very nice purple color now. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt. The salt balances the sweetness to the jam. Also, let us add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice adds brightness without making the jam sour. We need to keep mixing our liquid. Okay? Keep mixing, and once our liquid starts to boil, we can now add our ube, our grated ube. Look at our grated ube. That's a very nice color, right? It's purple. This time, we'll make the heat in medium-high. We'll do a lot of mixing. Just think of it as you're toning your arms. This needs time and patience to get the right consistency. So, let's keep mixing. Look, our halaya is thicker. We should now turn the heat to medium-low. Also, we add our pandan leaves, our natural aroma enhancer. This adds a floral flavor that makes our jam smells amazing. This time, let us add the 100-gram butter. The butter adds flavor and gives that beautiful shine at the end. Okay, add the butter and continue to mix. Now that we can smell the aroma of the pandan leaves, we can now remove the pandan leaves from our mixture. We should carefully remove the pandan leaves. Continue stirring to prevent the whole mixture from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Okay? We shall keep mixing until we get the consistency that we want for our halaya. Now, if you want the ube jam to be spreadable, then reduce the cooking time. After 40 minutes of mixing, our halaya is ready. This is the right consistency that we are looking for. Our special halaya is ready. When our ube halaya has cooled down, we can now transfer it to our container to prepare for serving. And to make our ube halaya more special, we shall add cheese on top of it to make it more yummy and tastier. Tada! Here's our special ube halaya. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Be safe everyone, and God bless you all.